Welcome to our in-depth review of the Onforu solar floodlight camera. This 2K wireless outdoor security camera combines a powerful floodlight with advanced surveillance features, all powered by the sun. Let's dive into what makes this device a great choice for home security. First, the solar panel and battery. The Onforu uses a high-efficiency 5-watt solar panel to charge its built-in 5,000 mAh battery. This means no wiring or outlet needed, truly hassle-free installation. During cloudy days, you can use the USB-C port for a quick backup charge. It's versatile and reliable. Now the dual adjustable heads. With 1600 lumens total brightness, you can independently adjust each head to light up multiple areas. Cover your yard and driveway, or porch and front door at the same time. The flexibility is impressive. Motion detection with PIR sensor is smart. It detects human movement to reduce false alarms from pets or cars. When triggered, the light turns on automatically. You get an app alert, and you can talk to visitors or activate a siren for extra security. Two-way audio and siren add a powerful layer of deterrence. Night vision is full color thanks to the 1500 lumen main light and 100 lumen camera light. Details are clear after dark, eliminating dark corners around your home. Build quality is solid with IP65 weather resistance. Rain, snow, or shine, it works reliably outdoors. For smart home integration, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. Family members can access the app too. It uses 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only, not 5 GHz. Recordings can be stored locally on a microSD card up to 256 GB, not included, or via cloud subscription. In summary, the Onforu solar floodlight camera is an excellent choice for those seeking a wireless, solar-powered security light with high-resolution video, smart detection, and easy installation. It's perfect for dark areas like garages, driveways, and backyards. Check the link in the description to get yours. Thanks for watching.